This video explains how to install the convenient stapler on the Xerox VersaLink C625 color multifunction printer. Press the power button, then touch Power Off. To prevent personal injury, unplug both ends of your power cord. Unbox the convenient stapler and remove the packaging material. Connect the power supply adapter to the convenient stapler and position the cable properly. Attach the stapler cover and then install the screw. Remove the column cover. Install the convenient stapler. Insert the power supply cable into the printer column. Install the cable cover. Connect the power cord of the convenient stapler to the power supply and then to the electrical outlet. The new convenient stapler is ready. When the blue light turns on, perform a staple test. Plug in both ends of your power cord and power on the printer.